Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I need to tell you some important thing about banking exams in 2021 and 2022. That is the syllabus for bank exams 2021 and 2022. This is very important for upcoming exams like SBI Junior Associate 2021 and SBI PO and IBPS RRB PO and clerk and IBPS PO and clerk exams 2021 and 2022. So this is all are very important for upcoming exams, banking exam syllabus. So let's move on to the quantitative aptitude. We have all known that the quantitative aptitude, the syllabus is in the prelims and main syllabus is the mixture, the allegations and mixtures. In this, we have seen 1 to 2 questions come in the prelims and also in the main exams. In the main exams, we can expect 2 to 5 marks. So, the second one is problem on ages. In this section, we have to expect 1 to 2 marks in the prelims section, and also we can expect 2 to 3 marks in the mains exams. And the third one is board problems. This is also very important section. And fourth one is data interpretation. This is most very important for mains exams. And also we have seen in the prelims exams 10 to 15 marks are allocated for data interpretations in the different section and also different allotments. And inequalities, in the inequalities we have to see the data interpretations. So this question is also very important in the prelims level, that is 5 questions we can expect. And sixth one is number series. We can expect this to 6 to 8 marks in the prelims. And partnerships, the partnerships which is also come in the prelims level and also in the mains level, so we can expect 1 to 5 marks in the prelims and mains exams. Pipes and cisterns, this is also very important for prelims and mains. And the fifth and last one is probability is also very important for mains exams in the SBI PO and IBPS PO. And afterwards we can move to the profit and loss. This is also important, and quadratic equations, and simple interest and compound interest. This is very important for prelims and mains. And in the clerk exams we can expect simplification and approximations problems for 5 to 10 marks. Speed, distance and time, this is also very important. And data sufficiency, that is, it is very important for mains exams in the IBPS PO and SBI PO exams. And time and work, this is also important. Problems on train, work and wages, this is also important for prelims and mains exams. So let's move on to the reasoning section. In the reasoning section, we can expect alphanumeric series in the clerk exams and also main clerk exams and also PO exams. And blood relations, we can expect mains in the coding type blood relation. And cause and effect, this is very important for mains exams. Coding, decoding, this is also important for mains. Data sufficiency, directions, these 4 topics are very important for mains. Input and output. And puzzles are must and should for all prelims and mains exams. We can expect in the mains 20 to 30 marks, and in the prelims 20 marks, 15 to 20 marks. Order and ranking, this is also very important. Seating arrangements, this is also important. Statement and assumptions, this is statement and conclusions. These 2 topics are very important for mains exams, especially in the IBPS PO and SBI PO exams. And last one is syllogism. This is very important for clerk exams like RRB clerk and IBPS clerk exams, and SBI Junior Associate we can expect these questions. And afterwards we can move to the English section. In the English section we can expect closed test. We have seen all the slots in the prelims and mains exams, we can expect closed test last year this came. And parasymbols are also very important. Fill in the blanks, we can expect all fill in the blanks also for 5 to 10 marks. Reading comprehension, this is must and should for every prelims and mains exams. Paragraph completion, that is, we can give some paragraph and put some inputs into the paragraphs. And idioms and phrases, vocabulary and word associations, that it will come under the reading comprehensions. They can give 2 to 4 marks for the synonyms and antonyms. And afterwards we can move to the sentence completions, that is, we can give some one paragraph and missing some lines, so we can complete it. Miscellaneous like one word substitution, two word substitution, and also we can expect some phrases, fill the phrases, and multiple meanings, that is we can give some synonyms and we can find out the antonyms. And error spotting, this is also very important for prelims and also as well as mains exams. So this is all about SBI Junior Associate 2021 and IBPS and RRB clerk and PO exams, guys. Please subscribe my channel. I will upload the all the things like prelims and mains exams, quantitative and reasoning sections. So thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel and I will upload more videos.